Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive deep into health and wellness topics specifically designed for those over 50. Today we're tackling a hot topic: anti-aging drinks. Are they really as effective as they claim to be, or are they just another fad? Let's find out. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Now, let's get started. First things first, what exactly are anti-aging drinks? These beverages often claim to boost collagen, reduce wrinkles, and give you a youthful glow. But do they deliver on these promises? We've gathered a range of products, from collagen-infused drinks to antioxidant-rich blends. Today we'll be discussing the key ingredients to look for in anti-aging drinks. Now let's talk science. What ingredients should you look for in anti-aging drinks? We'll break down key components like collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and antioxidants. Collagen, for instance, is crucial for skin elasticity, while hyaluronic acid helps retain moisture. Vitamin C and E are powerful antioxidants, and antioxidants fight free radicals that contribute to aging. Armed with this knowledge, how do you choose the right anti-aging drink for you? Consider your specific skin concerns and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. Look for drinks with clinically proven ingredients and avoid products with excessive sugar or artificial additives. Wrapping up, let's discuss holistic approaches to healthy aging. Along with anti-aging drinks, prioritize a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper skincare, and stress management. Remember, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day for radiant skin and overall well-being. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this information valuable in navigating the world of anti-aging drinks. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.